fact that you're already looking at this website and watching this video is an indication that you're struggling with a particular issue that you might need some professional help with. So that does suggest that counselling could be a good way forward for you. However, it's not until you finally get to meet a counsellor and spend some time talking to her that you'll really know the answer to that question. And the initial appointment is an opportunity for you to do just that, to see how it feels, and then if it feels right for you, to make the commitment to ongoing counselling. So yes, the counselling space is indeed a place where you can be listened to and heard, but it is very different from talking to a friend or family member, in that whereas a friend or family member might try to offer you advice, interrupt you when you're talking, or judge you, a counsellor won't do that. She'll offer you new perspectives on your situation, and instead of trying to rescue you, she'll help you to discover your own inner strength. As each client is unique, there's no definitive answer to that question. We do try to encourage clients to work in an open-ended way so that you continue until you're really ready to stop. However, there are some types of therapy, such as cognitive behavioural therapy, for example, or solution-focused brief therapy, that do work within a limited time frame, such as 8 to 12 sessions, for example. And sometimes your requirements might be such that you want to work in a time-limited way. For example, if you're returning to work after a number of weeks. Well, at the Wellbeing Therapy Centre, all our counsellors are highly trained and experienced in working with all the commonly presented issues, such as depression, anxiety, stress, relationship issues. But some of our counsellors are also specialised and can work with particular issues such as addictions, infertility, domestic violence, childhood abuse. We also have 2 couples counsellors on board now, and a youth counsellor who can work with adolescents aged 11 to 18. Best thing is when you call or email and speak to our administrator, Andrew, he can discuss your needs with you and place you with a counsellor who's right for you. Again, this is something that you can discuss with Andrew. He will look at your availabilities and match you to a counsellor who has vacancies at that time. We do have counsellors who work in the evenings, and we have one counsellor who works on a Saturday, so we can meet the needs of clients who work full-time. Some counsellors have more flexibility in their schedule than others do, so again, this is something to discuss with Andrew when you call.